Hey there, it's Ron with Insurance for Texans, and I've got today's home insurance tip. And the tip is to keep you from being screwed in a partial roof replacement on a hail claim. So what does that mean? We were sitting and talking with a roofing company today, and the roofing company explained that some of their customers have been complaining recently because they go to help with a claim, the claim gets approved, but only half of the roof is damaged and is in need of replacement. Well, the companies in the last 3 to 4 years have put a clause into their home insurance policies that stipulates if only half of the roof needs to be replaced, they're only going to replace half of it. Why do they do that? They do that to stop the massive losses and limit how much claim they're paying out so that they can attempt to stay profitable and not have to raise your premium so much. Is there a way around it? Yes, there is, if your agent is not trying to mess with you. The companies that have done this have put a clause in that says you can have an endorsement called limited matching of roofing and siding materials, which stipulates they're going to replace the whole roof in the event that you have the partial claim. It also benefits you in one other place, and that is those soft materials around your roof. Think gutters, think siding, think soffit, think the whirlybirds. If you have cosmetic damage to those materials, but they're still fully functional, if you don't have this endorsement on there, they're not going to replace them. They're going to leave you with dented gutters, dented siding. Maybe you put a fresh coat of paint on it, but that's still dented. If you want a completely matching roof, if you want a sharp looking set of gutters and siding and soffit and all that material that's around your roof, you need to make sure that your agent has accounted for this. We see people leaving this off of quotes that they provide all the time, and the reason they're doing it is because they're just trying to give you a price, and in the end they're not looking out for your best interest. Don't get screwed. Make sure that the limited matching is on there if the company that you're electing to work with requires it to have a full roof replacement. I'm Ron. We're Insurance for Texans, and we're here to keep you from being bent over by an agent who's just trying to sell you a bill of goods.